an LTM 1650-8.1 from Riga Mainz during self-ballasting in the tightest of spaces. The crane is going to be used to install a huge 83.7-ton pipe bridge the next day. This is part of the new Fair particle accelerator being built here. It is regarded as one of the largest research projects in the world at present. Here, the secrets of the universe can be explored by accelerating ions and antiprotons to almost the speed of light. In order to install the pipe bridge, a 24.5-meter-long luffing jib has to be attached to the 650-ton crane.
To be able to assemble the luffing jib, we need a setup crane. And today on site, we have the LTM 1110-5.2, one of our Licon 3 cranes. We also have the LTM 1100-5.3, among others. The two cranes are characterized by the fact that they can be planned using the new Crane Planner 2.0 planning software.
We currently have 42 cranes. There are 2 crawler cranes, the rest are telescopic mobile cranes. And at the moment the fleet is entirely Liebherr. Our most recent Licon 3 type is the LTM 1100-5.3. Thanks to vario base and vario ballast, it offers an almost infinite number of possible uses. Of course, it also challenges project planners to recognize what they can get out of the crane. I keep realizing that people still work with conventional tables and try to plan an assignment as quickly as possible. However, when things get tight on the construction site, or you really want to get everything out of the crane to perhaps eliminate a competitor, then you have to delve much deeper into the material. So of course, the new Crane Planner really helps us with this. However, it will certainly take some time to fully utilize the application possibilities. It is now possible to monitor many more things and connect many more sensors. And many grey areas that you had before, when setting up, moving the boom backwards, manoeuvring somewhere in any of the setup states, the Licon 3 has all of this under control. In the past, you just turned the key switch and the crane driver had to know what to do. And if he didn't, then things could go wrong. That's why the Licon 3 is another big step forward in terms of safety.
The pipe bridge was completed on a special pre-assembly area. It will now be moved to its lifting inside using SPMT vehicles.
The pre-assembly area is located around 500 meters away. In other words, the route consists of a right-hand bend and 2 left-hand bends until we reach the final destination. The pipe bridge itself, the T167 pipe bridge, has a weight of 83.7 tons. And as you can see here, the installation situation is very tight. The crane location can only be established in this way. We utilize the crane's different ballast radii. When picking up loads at 17 meters, we have to set the ballast radius to 6.4 meters. We then swing clockwise. And later, we have the installation situation where we have a boom radius of 23 meters. We then have to increase the ballast radius to 7.4 meters. And that's the unique thing about the crane, that it can adapt to the conditions on site, and we can use the smallest corner to carry out the lift. We have full support for the job, which means 100%. And we have 175 tons of ballast, that is, we use the vario ballast in the radius here. The outrigger base is a major advantage of the crane compared to the 800-ton crane, for example. In other words, we have a width of 9.6 meters from one supporting plate to the next. To put it another way, the situation really is compact.
After just 2 hours, the pipe bridge is assembled. In future, 3,000 scientists from 50 countries will be researching the secrets of the universe.